Right, so here's just a quick video. Unfortunately, I don't have a robot at home, but I can show you how to write a simple program. So once I'm in the app, you can see the lobby here. These are a bunch of uh, tutorials you can try. And I'm going to come down here to New Program, double click it. Up in the upper right corner, you would know if you were not connected to your brick. You would see the brick with a little X in the corner. Right now, it thinks I'm connected because my computer was last connected at school, but I'm not connected. I don't have a robot here. But this is how you write a program. So I'm going to just show you very quickly how to make it go forward. You'll come down. I'm in the green tab here. You can switch tabs, but right now we don't need to. So I'm in the green tab, and you'll see this with two orange. These are the motors that are on the robot, and what look like two sliders. So we'll drag this up. There's a bunch of options here. If you click this point here, you can change how the motors function. I'm just going to change it to degrees. And basically what this is telling it is the left motor should run at 50% power, the right motor should run at 50% power, and both wheels should turn 360 degrees. I can modify this just by typing in a different number of degrees here. That we can set it for brake. That just means when the wheels hit 800 degrees, when they've turned 800 degrees, they'll actually brake. They'll stop physically. You can coast as well. You can play with that on your own. So then we can bring this block up here again. So we've added two blocks. And what I'll show you quickly is if we make this one minus 50. So now the left motor is going to be told to turn at minus 50 power. So if you do that, the wheel will turn, the robot will turn left, and you'll know it will turn left because the left wheel is negative. If I set this back to be positive, oops. So I set it back to be positive and I make the right one negative. Now the robot will run, it'll turn right. Alright, so I'll provide a few more details as we go. In fact, if we want to make this even better, what we would do, add the block again and set this one to off. So basically what we're telling it, once we press play, if you're connected to the robot, this will download to your robot. I think mine will just get stuck here because again I'm not connected. But again, both wheels, the left wheel, the right wheel, I'm pointing to them so hopefully you can follow. The left wheel, the right wheel will run at 50% power and they'll turn 800 degrees. So as you know, 360 degrees in a circle. So they'll rotate a little more than 2 full rotations. And then I'm physically telling them, okay, stop and wait just for a split second. It'll stop, and then the robot, in this case, will make a right turn. Again, if I want to make a left turn, I can change this side to negative and this one positive. If I want to turn 90 degrees, actually, let me change this back to on for degrees. And if I put 180 degrees, roughly 182, it'll turn now roughly 90 degrees. I know it's a little awkward. You would dig 90, it would turn 90, but it does not because one wheel is actually turning forward, one's turning backwards. So it's going to turn in place, and that combination with a 182 degree rotation will turn it 90 degrees. That little explanation at the end, it's a little deeper than we need right now. The big point to take away is understanding how to make it move forward over here on the left and how to make it turn. A negative here turns right, a negative in this motor, the left motor, turns left. Give it a try, let me know how it goes. Thank you.